Hello there and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to do a recap on what we've did so far in this chapter. So basically, the process of order fulfillment should be memorized into 3 steps, basically getting the sale and then going to the awaiting shipment page, which we did right here by going into the orders. We can go to awaiting shipment and then you'll see the order details and everything else related to it. So you need to always ship the item as soon as possible. So that's the whole thing, is that you need to be fast. You need to go ahead, order the item from Amazon so that your handling time is low. So handling time, again, is the time frame in which you must upload the tracking number. And to get the tracking number, you need to ship the order quickly. And to do that, you need to go to Amazon and buy it, or your supplier basically, to ship the products and provide the address to Amazon for them to send it. So once you receive it, you can then add it into eBay. And this can be manual, but it could also be automated with the bot that's called Trackerbot that we have follow alongside in this basically course. So again, bottom line, ship fast as you can, benefits the customer and ensures smooth tracking updates. So once you have this information, as we have done throughout this course, you'll go into Amazon, you will find the products. In this case, this is already a product. I already have it in my cart. So I'm going to click on the cart right here and I'm going to minimize to one quantity. Click on proceed to checkout. Sure that when you have the order here in eBay, you have copied the order. So it has copied right here in the paste me extension. Go ahead, click on change for the address, add a new delivery address, and then basically click on the paste me extension, click on paste, and you are good to go. Use this address, and then you would go ahead to the payment method and make sure that you pay for this particular item. So once the order is basically complete, once this order is filled out and you have paid for it, Trackerbot will start working and it will monitor your email and Amazon account for tracking updates. It will find the tracking number if it's available. It will match it to your order. It will convert the tracking number based on the settings that you have done in the profile. It will execute those settings right here. All of this happens again automatically. However, to ensure everything runs smoothly, make sure you keep your Chrome extension active every day. Even after getting the tracking number, we still need to check the Amazon's tracking page to monitor order progress. The shipment goes through multiple status, such as item received as logistics, item transferred to carrier, in transit, and out of delivery. So these updates are only available inside the Amazon buyer account, which is why the Chrome extension is very important to keep everything intact. And we have walked through it again, and that's the Chrome extension right here. This is the tracker. It will open a page which should stay open, so Trackerbot does a job in the background without you having to monitor everything. So once the order is delivered, your job is completely done. It's a good idea to have some automated messages configured as we've spoke about previously. Set up request buyer feedback, and that completes your part of the order fulfillment process. Thanks a lot for following alongside in this lesson. I will see you in the next one.